right into this. There's one little piece of clay.
Got it.
Okay, this is Orangeburg. This section here doesn't look too bad, but I'll show you where it's. See how it's all rippled?
Yeah.
See? See right here? See, bring it back. See, there's a dam right there. Something's underneath it. It's just squished itself. There's a little bit. They did a little clay repair on it.
Can we mark like where this?
Yeah, mark that. Just go right in the middle of that tie. But just pull back a little bit. See how the pipe's not even round. See, it's all.
Yeah. Yeah. I get it.
Come back just a little bit more.
How wide is that stuff?
It's 4-inch. But the cast iron starts right here, and then it goes right to the sidewalk. There's some. See right there? You can see the ridges on it.
Can't line it.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Yeah, is that a root?
No, it could be something, a root on the outside pushing in on the pipe.
Okay.
Yeah. No, because you can't span that pipe.
And there's no other piping techniques that go
there is one. There is. It's called bursting. That might be an option. That go in the split right there. Something in there. Something dropped in there. It looked like could have been some leaves from being open. Okay, just go back to push back to that clay. When you get to that clay, activate it. Can't get past that. Okay, pull back to where the cast iron meets the Orangeburg and that clean on.
Hey, so cut down, yeah.